How to sign up for a new account on Buy Me a Coffee. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an account on Buy Me a Coffee. If you guys didn't know, Buy Me a Coffee is an online platform where you are able to support your side hustles. So you could fund your creative work and accept the support that your viewers or your audience that will give you. So in order to create a new account here, all you have to do is search for buymeacoffee.com, go to this website and click on sign up. If you already have one, you can click on login, but I'm just going to sign up for a new account here. Once you open this, just go ahead and enter your username that you want to create. It will check if the username is available and click on sign up. Now here there are multiple ways you can go with. So you can connect to your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or even your Twitter account. But I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address here. And once you enter your email address, just go ahead and enter your password as well. Once you have created your password, click on sign up, but make sure to verify the CAPTCHA first. Now select what is shown here and click on verify. And click on sign up. And it will send a verification code on your email. So let me just go ahead and quickly open Gmail on my new tab. And as you guys can see here, I've gotten the verification code. So I'm just going to copy this. And once you copy the code, go ahead and paste it right here. Click on sign up. If you didn't get the code, click on resend again, and it will send you another code on your email. Wait for a bit. Now you're going to have to complete your page. Just enter your name, then write anything about yourself, add a social link if you want. I'm just going to click on next. So you're going to have to add a social link. So what I'm going to do now is add a YouTube account, or you could add anything else. So I can add my Instagram here as well. Now here I've copied my Instagram's URL. I'm going to go here and paste the link, then click on next and enter a description for your page as well. Click on next. And the next step is to upload a profile picture. Once you have done all of this, you'll be taken to a next step for your account page completion. Now select your country, and you're going to have to choose your payout method, or you could just skip this step for now. I'm going to skip it. I'll do this later. And finally, you have successfully created a Buy Me a Coffee account. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.